Here's 4 simple finger-picking guitar songs for beginners and intermediate types. Song number 1, I wrote this. Rabbit in the Hen House. This song is actually a lot easier than it looks, but I'm still rating it just below intermediate. Now, I'm going to be able to teach this to beginners as well. I'll tell you more about that later, but one of the features with this song is I'm using a thumb pick. Thumb pick? Ain't nobody got time to learn how to play with a thumb pick. Well, I did a comparison between using the thumb pick and not using the thumb pick. You tell me what you think, all right? So thumbs up or thumbs down with the thumb pick? Let me know in the comments area below. Well, my next door neighbor Earl don't use a thumb pick, and he plays in the folk group at the church. All right then, song number 2, dedicated to Earl, no thumb pick. So I'm rating this just below intermediate again. Of course, the beginner version is easier. Now, what's cool about this song is there's one time that there's an E minor chord that you don't fret anything on the left hand, and then an A chord that follows. That's a one-fingered A chord. Let me show it to you real quick. Earl's not gonna like this song. He's in the bikers folk group over at the church, right? This song is pretty easy, especially the right hand. We're only picking on strings 5, 4, and 3, and the pattern never changes. And this is because the melody is going up the neck on the left hand, and we're able to just stay on those 3 strings, and the pattern never changes. The other thing I'm doing is I'm using a thumb pick. That's because you want those melody notes that we're playing with the thumb to be louder than the other notes. Go ahead and pick it real slow for me, and I'll learn it right now. 2, 3, here we go. Alright, now I'm dying to know which of these 4 songs you like the best. If you could leave a comment in the comments area below, let me know what your favorite song is out of this pile.
Favorite? Well, maybe nobody's gonna like any of them.
Wow, great positive energy, Billy.
Positive energy. I'll give you some out back on my electric
I
fence.
think I'm going to pass on that. Download the free study guide and the sheet music right there. We'll see you soon.